What is going on, everybody? RC Propaganda here. Hope you're all doing well. So today is the day for the 800 subscriber giveaway. I will announce the winner. We're going to do the random comment picker. So the video did pretty well. We have like 32 or so comments. So you have a pretty good chance at winning. So here is the voltmeter I am going to be giving away here. It's a pretty sweet little deal. These things are sweet to have. I've been using them more and more now that I have it. Really like it because I got a lot of similar batteries, well, same batteries, so it's easy to tell what one is charged, and also you can kind of test just different things with it, how much voltage you're using and all that stuff after a little session. So it's nice. That's what I like to do with it. So yeah, let's get to it. I got the comment picker already. I'm just gonna click on it right here. It's gonna load up. I gotta paste the link to the video. Yeah, got a silly ad. Paste. So I got the link right there, and it says get YouTube comments. 32 comments. We'll click start, and here we go. Let's see who it picks. See, it's all picking it right here. The winner is Robbie G RC. So Robbie G, hit me up on Instagram in the direct message with your info, or you can email me at rc_propaganda@yahoo.com and get me your information. We'll do some verification so I know that it's you, and you just won yourself a voltmeter, dude. Sweet deal. So really appreciate everyone checking out the video and commenting for your chance to win. I will be doing another giveaway at 1,000 subs. I'm going to be giving away my Scale Life RC shirt that I designed. I'm just trying to push for 1K. We are almost there. I think we're at over 850 now. So I'm getting real close. Been trying to make more videos. I got a bunch of stuff. I've been pretty busy lately with work and stuff with my wife, Mrs. Propaganda. So, you know, just make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell so you can see when I post new videos, because I do have a bunch of stuff coming out soon. I'm still waiting for my parts for this element kit so I can get this thing on the channel. I had called AMain, and what happened is I ordered paint for the body, and they cannot send it like priority, I guess. So they sent it parcel post, which is their slowest. So it went like all the way down to SoCal, and then it went up to San Francisco, and I don't know where it is now. So hopefully the parts for that thing show up and I can get it on the channel here shortly and let you know. I actually have a bash video rendering right now, so I'll put that up right before this video comes out. So, you know, there's just a lot of stuff coming, guys, but thanks again for taking part in my giveaway, and stay tuned to the channel for more giveaways. And the more views I get, the more giveaways I will do, because it would be nice to give back to the RC community. Really appreciate you all. So you guys know the deal. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.